Imagine, if you will, the vast cosmic expanse. Infinite, unfathomable, strewn with constellations that defy counting. But what if we told you there was a time when not even a single star had yet sparked into existence? Until now, the mysteries of this period remained locked away, unyielding, resistant to our terrestrial attempts to comprehend them. But as we stand on the threshold of a new era of cosmic discovery, armed with the formidable might of the James Webb Space Telescope, these enigmas are beginning to come to light. Could our understanding of the universe be on the precipice of a revolutionary shift? What mysteries are etched in the cosmos' ancient canvas, awaiting our discovery? Michio Kaku and Neil deGrasse Tyson, stalwarts in the field of theoretical physics and astrophysics respectively, guide us in this exploration. Both have devoted their careers to demystifying the cosmos and presenting its complexities to the public in an engaging, relatable manner. They remind us that our voyage into the universe's past is not merely an academic pursuit, but a deeply philosophical one, as we grapple with questions about our origins and our place in the cosmos. The physics and philosophy of exploration. Michio Kaku, with his string field theory and futurist predictions, often examines the relationship between existential questions and cosmic exploration. When delving into the universe's dark ages, he engages with profound questions of existence and the origin of everything. Understanding where we came from is a fundamental human curiosity, Kaku says. Science is our tool to illuminate the dark corners of the universe and our past. It allows us to transform the insatiable human curiosity into tangible knowledge, giving us a clearer perception of our cosmic beginnings and our interconnectedness with the cosmos. This insight, drawn from the universe's earliest epochs, also guides Kaku's vision of our future. By studying the universe's infancy, we gain insight into the laws that govern our existence, insights that will shape humanity's future. Who are we? Where are we going? These are questions that seem philosophical, but they're rooted in science. They inspire us to reach for the stars, literally and metaphorically. Meanwhile, Neil deGrasse Tyson, astrophysicist, author, and science communicator, approaches the philosophy of cosmic exploration from a slightly different but equally profound angle. For deGrasse Tyson, astronomy is not only a path to understanding our universe, but also a means for personal and societal growth. Astronomy is a humbling and character-building experience, deGrasse Tyson asserts. He further elaborates, in the grand scheme of the universe, we are small, tiny even, but that doesn't belittle our significance. Instead, it heightens it. We, beings on a tiny planet in an average galaxy, are unraveling the mysteries of the universe. There's a kind of poetry in that, a testimony to the power of human intellect and spirit. He also stresses the importance of a philosophical approach in our pursuit of understanding the universe, reminding us, the universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't stop trying to understand it. This echoes a fundamental philosophical idea that acknowledging our limited understanding should not deter our pursuit of knowledge, but rather inspire us to continually question, explore, and learn. deGrasse Tyson encourages the application of this principle not only in astrophysics, but in all aspects of life. Embracing the mysteries of the universe teaches us to appreciate the beauty of uncertainty, the thrill of discovery, and the importance of humility in the face of the unknown. These are lessons that extend beyond astronomy. They're life lessons. In essence, for both Kaku and deGrasse Tyson, the exploration of the universe's dark ages transcends the realm of scientific discovery. It becomes a philosophic journey, one that inspires profound questions about our origin, existence, and purpose, demonstrating how science and philosophy often dance in tandem on the grand stage of the cosmos. Shattering established notions. In a recent event, the JWST caught sight of an extraordinary phenomenon, an epic collision between galaxies at the very edge of the universe, and spotting something so colossal it surpasses our Sun by a staggering factor of 10,000. The subsequent reactions from Kaku and deGrasse Tyson demonstrate the profound implications of these findings. According to Kaku, the data that the James Webb Space Telescope has gathered has opened up an entirely new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos. Meanwhile, deGrasse Tyson shared similar surprise and enthusiasm, saying, "Who would have thought we'd be peering into the cradle of the universe and seeing galaxies forming?" The emerging picture of the universe's early days is intriguing and unexpected. As deGrasse Tyson noted, we're now discovering that the universe was a place of intense activity far earlier than we expected. Massive stars were being formed, galaxies were colliding. There's a whole universe of phenomena we're only now beginning to explore. Delving deeper into the universe's dark ages. To comprehend the significance of the JWST's recent findings, it's essential to delve deeper into the mechanics of the telescope and the scientific principles that underpin its work. The JWST operates mainly in the infrared range of the electromagnetic spectrum, enabling it to capture light from the most distant objects in the universe. This is because light from these early cosmic objects has been stretched, or redshifted, into longer infrared wavelengths due to the expansion of the universe. Michio Kaku has often spoken about the importance of developing technology that can exploit this redshift. Redshift is like a cosmic time machine. It allows us to peer back into the early stages of the universe when the first galaxies and stars were forming, Kaku explained. It's an essential tool for any cosmologist, and the James Webb Space Telescope uses it to great effect. On the other hand, Neil deGrasse Tyson, a passionate advocate for public scientific literacy, has made efforts to explain the concept of the universe's dark ages to a broader audience. Think of it like Earth's own history. There was a time when our planet was a hot, inhospitable place, long before life as we know it evolved. In much the same way, the early universe was a hot, dense place, and it took time for the first stars and galaxies to form, deGrasse Tyson explained. The universe's first galaxies. The impact of discovering such early galaxies and stars is enormous, shattering previously held assumptions about the timeline of the universe's evolution. Kaku elaborates. These findings will necessitate a reassessment of our understanding of the rate at which structures formed in the early universe. We might need to revise our theories on dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious components that make up about 96% of our universe. Both physicists also highlighted the profound implications these discoveries have for our understanding of cosmic evolution and the future of cosmic exploration. deGrasse Tyson added, "Discoveries like this open up a whole world of new possibilities. We now have a clearer window into the distant past, which can help us understand how our own galaxy, and maybe even life itself, came into being." The future of cosmic exploration. Despite the unexpected discoveries presenting more questions than answers, both Kaku and deGrasse Tyson welcome the uncertainty. They are optimistic about the scientific advances to come and are confident that the continued exploration of the universe's dark ages will lead to transformative insights. In the coming years, we're likely to see a complete rewriting of the universe's history. It's an exciting time to be a physicist, Kaku asserted. Similarly, deGrasse Tyson concluded, "What we're seeing is just the tip of the iceberg. The universe has a lot more to tell us, and I can't wait to hear what it has to say." In the end, the JWST's revelations about the universe's dark ages are more than mere scientific discoveries. They represent an expansion of our cosmic perspective and a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. With the guiding insights of Michio Kaku and Neil deGrasse Tyson, we are better equipped to appreciate the magnitude of these discoveries. As Kaku optimistically remarked, the universe is a symphony, and the laws of physics are its melodies. We are all participating in this cosmic performance, searching for our part in the score. Similarly, deGrasse Tyson reminds us that we are part of this universe. We are in this universe, but perhaps more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us. In the pursuit of understanding the universe's dark ages, we continue our quest for knowledge, peering further and deeper into the cosmos, forever striving to comprehend our place in this vast and wondrous universe. By standing on the shoulders of scientific giants like Kaku and deGrasse Tyson, we can look forward to future discoveries that will continue to reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. That's our cosmic journey for today, folks. We hope this exploration of the universe's dark ages, inspired by the insights of Dr. Michio Kaku and Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson, has sparked your curiosity and widened your perspective on our place in this vast universe. If you've enjoyed our voyage through time and space today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Space Infinity for more fascinating insights into the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.